Do you know how engineers build bridge piers in deep ocean water? Most people think they just pour concrete into the sea. Easy, right? Nope, that is not how it works. Building a pier on land is simple. Dig the foundation, tie the rebar, pour concrete. Done. But out in the ocean, everything turns ugly. Waves smash, currents move. The seafloor does not care about your plan. If you dump cement into seawater, it gets washed apart like batter in a drain. It cannot set, it cannot hold shape, and it cannot support a bridge weighing thousands of tons. So engineers bring out the weapon, a cofferdam. First, steel piles are driven deep into seabed rock. One by one, machines hammer them down. Then they surround the pier location, sometimes in a circle, sometimes in a square. Think of it as a giant steel fence underwater. But this fence is not keeping out deer. It is holding back the ocean. Once the wall is locked tight, it blocks seawater from rushing in. It also takes the beating from waves. Inside, engineers create a work zone. Then comes the key move. Pumps suck the water out. The underwater area turns into a dry room on the seafloor. Basically, they build a job site inside the ocean. Now workers can work like on land. They dig a pit. They remove mud, sludge, and loose rock. Then they install layers of rebar mesh. After that, they pour high-strength concrete. This is not driveway concrete. It is mixed for marine conditions. After a few days, it hardens like rock. That becomes the solid base. Once the base is strong enough, workers build the pier body upward, layer by layer, pour by pour. The pier rises to its designed height. During the process, the cofferdam acts like a shield. It keeps seawater out. It blocks waves. It gives workers space to build. When the pier is finished and strong enough to hold the bridge, engineers remove the steel piles and cofferdam. Then the pier stands alone in the sea like it grew from the ocean floor. After that, crews install the bridge deck. That is how a bridge crosses water. This is genius engineering. They did not beat the ocean head on. They kicked the ocean out, built on dry ground, then let the sea back in. That is why these bridges stand through waves, storms, and decades of punishment. Some last a century without moving an inch.